All right, Ron from Mighty House. We're back here with Mr. Floor in the showroom. Kind of wanted to go over how to properly clean wood floors because, you know, like my grandmother used to do, just dump a bucket of water on there and a scrub brush.
Yeah, we love it when they do that. Then we have to go fix them.
You don't want to do that anymore,
No.
right? You don't. That's not how you properly clean a floor.
Correct.
And you've got some really nice floors here. So what are you guys using on this floor to keep it looking as good as it is?
Well, as we talked, and I'm sure your listeners know about our floor cleaners, we have our Mr. Floor wood floor cleaner, which is right here. Okay, and it's very, very simple to use. It leaves zero residue. It's about 100% biodegradable. And it's literally a spritz and a wipe. So, and we have all different cleaners for all different types of surfaces. So we have natural stone cleaner, we have tile and grout cleaner for porcelain and ceramics. We also have vinyl and laminate cleaner.
Luxury vinyl.
Well, it's just vinyl.
Oh.
So you can use it on the old linoleum too.
Oh, you can.
Okay. And then you have the wood cabinetry cleaner for your cabinets and also countertops. So we get into the kitchens as well.
Is that going to degrease? You take all the grease off the cabinetry and restore the wood?
Absolutely. That's exactly what it's designed to do.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you the correct way to actually use our cleaner because
You dump a whole gallon on there and then you smear it around, right?
No, that's not exactly correct. But
Okay.
Okay. So what we recommend.
Do I get a tool? Do I get something?
I'll let you spray. I don't trust you with the hard merchandise here.
Okay.
Okay. So
but this is like an inlaid floor. You just squirt it on there?
you're going to squirt it on. Okay. So first of all,
Yeah.
brand new one, so it's going to take a couple sprays. You don't want to oversaturate it. So it's I get it open.
No, it didn't. It is not.
It is.
It's biodegradable.
And it cleans your pants too.
Okay,
No problem.
All right. So it's just squirt.
What you're going to do is, but you want to squirt the entire space, go from wall to wall.
So like, that's like misting. So it's like that with a squirt, or do you want to mist?
No, we want to mist.
You want to mist.
Okay, so what we're
See,
gonna
I'm not even good at that. See, I like tools. I'll
Okay,
do
you
this.
use the tool. Okay, you wait. I'll show.
Okay.
Okay. So you're going to just basically spray all the way across.
That's like a misting. You're not even putting anything on there.
Exactly. Okay.
And
And
then
then what you're going to do is you're going to take the tool and you're going to go from that end,
This tool,
the microfiber mop,
okay,
go from that end
start here.
and just
It's
straight.
got a long pole. I can reach pretty well.
Yeah, go straight line.
Okay.
In one motion.
Follow
bring it
wood
up.
grain.
Yep, and go all the way to the other end.
Do I need to hold it at an angle, or is it
Nope,
okay that it's
you're
straight?
fine. You're fine.
Okay.
Ron, you can come clean my house anytime.
And now I go back.
Yep, because what you want to do is you want to not go back and forth because you're moving debris off of the floor and you'll leave lines on where you left it.
Okay. And then you
Okay.
start your next row.
Yep.
But you
You
didn't
didn't
here.
spray here. So your actual mop actually is collecting that moisture, but I can just spray in front of you, okay?
Look at that. And you don't even smell it. You don't even smell the cleaner. But now that it's on the mat, it'll just keep going, won't it?
A little bit.
Okay, now it's starting to get dry.
Right, so you don't want to oversaturate. You also,
Look at that. And you take that.
I'm going to take this and we're done. And what's going to end up happening is probably within 30 seconds, this is going to be completely dry.
Yeah, look, it's over here. It is dry already on this side where we started.
And it's not going to leave a
Check out
residue
those
ever.
shoes. Look, check out those nasty shoes.
Those are well
Used.
shoes.
Yes. All right.
But I mean, and it's that simple, okay? No bucket of water, no mixing anything. It's spray and wipe and be done and be happy with your floor.
Shoot it, wipe it, done. You're finished.
Exactly. Boom done is somebody I know says a lot.
Boom, done. That's the way to do it. All right.
All right.
Excellent. Mr. Floor Cleaning Products, where can somebody pick that up? You got to stop here and buy
You
it?
can stop here and buy it. You can buy it online. We also have it in some local retailers as well.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay, so
All right.
where can they do it? MrFloor.com?
www.mrfloor.com and then just go to our shopping page.
Excellent.
All right?
All right. Thanks, Aaron.
Thank you, buddy.
Oh, what's the address here?
3828 Oakton in Skokie.
All right. Thanks. We're done here at Mr. Floor. Stop by anytime. Thanks a lot.